Hi, this is Nadine from Access Fixtures. I'm here to walk you through a specialized lighting upgrade for an indoor horse arena in Bloomington, Indiana. The goal? Replace outdated metal halide fixtures with a custom LED solution to achieve better light quality, uniformity, and energy efficiency. Let's take a look at how we transformed this arena. The client faced significant challenges with the old lighting system: dark spots, hot spots, uneven illumination, and excessive glare. These issues impacted visibility and created an unsafe, uncomfortable environment for both riders and horses. Our goal was clear: deliver a minimum of 40-foot candles of consistent bright lighting, eliminate glare, and improve overall visibility, all while staying energy efficient and cost-effective. Horse arena lighting must deliver bright, even illumination without harsh shadows or glare. For indoor arenas, specialized LED solutions are crucial to create a safe, comfortable environment for riding activities. After a full consultation, Access Fixtures lighting specialists selected high-O LED high bay fixtures with diffuser lenses and a 4,000 Kelvin color temperature. These fixtures deliver balanced, low-glare lighting, ideal for the 15-foot mounting height and close rider proximity typical in indoor arenas. A photometric analysis validated the design, showing an average illuminance of 43.4-foot candles and a max-min ratio of 1.82, exceeding the project's lighting goals and ensuring smooth, even light coverage across the 60 by 150-foot arena. The layout included 21 high-O fixtures arranged in 3 rows of 7. This optimized design eliminated dark areas and hot spots, providing consistent light levels throughout the arena. The high-O fixtures feature an 80-degree beam angle and a diffuser lens mounted at 15 feet. The setup minimizes glare while maintaining bright and even light, perfect for riding comfort and safety. Each high-O is L70 rated at 50,000 hours, offering long-term energy savings with minimal maintenance. The entire project cost delivered a high-value upgrade within the client's budget. After installation, the arena transformed from uneven lighting to a bright, uniformly lit environment. The client was pleased with the results, stating, "I think they turned out pretty well." This project showcases Access Fixtures' expertise in delivering high-performance, custom LED solutions tailored for horse arenas. Ready to improve your facility's lighting? Visit accessfixtures.com or contact us at 1-800-468-9925 today to get started.